Audience, today we will learn about the addition of time. Okay, how can we add time? So this is very simple. Only a few things you have to keep in your mind when we add time. That I will explain. Okay, so this is our first question. Okay, add a 2 hour 25 minutes and a 4 hour 30 minutes. So what we have to do? We need to add 2 hour 25 minutes to 4 hour 30 minutes, isn't it? We need to add it. So what we have to do is write a hour and a minute side, okay, because it is given as hour and a minutes. 2 hour 25 minutes, isn't it? So what we need to add a 2 hour, how many minutes? 25 minutes, okay, plus 4 hour 30 minutes, okay. Then add the usual way. 5 plus 0, 5. 3 plus 2, 5, 55. 4 plus 2, 6. So we will get a 6 hour, 55 minutes. So this is simple addition. Simple addition. Why I said it is, what are the things we are getting? We will write there, and we don't need to do anything here, because we don't need to do anything here because here the minutes we got, it is less than 60. It is less than 60. Less than 60. 60. If it is less than 60, we don't need to do anything here. Just simply write. What I said, if we are getting a value that is less than 60 in the minutes column, the answer, you don't need to do any changes. But we have to do some little changes. If we are getting a value which is equal to 60 or more than 60, okay, more than 60. If it is more than 60 or equal to 60, we have to do something. Understand? What we have to do, that I will explain. Okay, I am writing another question. Add a 5 hour 45 minutes and a 3 hour 40 minutes. Okay, 3 hour 40 minutes. So our side, our column, we have to write a 5 minutes 45. Here 3, here 40. Then plus, okay, 5 plus 0 again 5, 4 plus 4 8, 85, 5 plus 3 8, 8 hour 85 minutes, 8 hour 85 minutes. So value that we got here is more than 60. The value that we got here is more than 60. If it is more than 60, we have to subtract 60 from this. We have to subtract 60 from this one. Why we need to subtract it? Why we are subtracting? We all know that in an hour, in 1 hour, how many minutes are there? 60 minutes makes 1 hour. 60 minutes makes 1 hour. 60 minutes ആണ് ഒരു മണിക്ക്. 60 minutes make 1 hour. Isn't it? 60 minutes makes 1 hour means we got the value that is more than 1 hour. Isn't it? So we can convert or we can take a 1 hour from this 85 minutes. I am taking 1 hour or 60 minutes. I am taking 60 minutes or 1 hour from this 85. For that one, I need to subtract. I am subtracting 60 from this. I am subtracting 60 means I am taking 1 hour. Then where will this 1 hour will go? That 1 hour we can put here, isn't it? I am subtracting 60 means we don't need to change. We don't need to change everything. We can't do like that. Then our answer will be wrong. So what the thing I am subtracting here, same thing I have to do here. Understand? I subtracted 60 minutes means what? I took 1 hour from this one. That is 1 hour I can add here. Understand? So that 1 hour I will add here. Understand? So again after doing this one, okay. This is here it is adding. That time here it is subtracting. Okay. Here it is adding. Here 60 minutes. 60 minutes is subtracting. That time we have to add 1 hour here. That's all. If you have subtracted 60, then add 1 hour. Then 5 minus 0, 5. 8 minus 6. What we will get? 225. Is it correct? 585. It's 8 plus 1, 9 hour. 9 hour 25 minutes. This is the answer. Understand? So I took a 60 minutes. Then the same thing I have to do on the hour side. The 60 minutes I took means 1 hour I took. That 1 hour I added on the hour side. Then I go to 9 hour 25 minutes. So nothing happened. I took a 60 minutes from there and I added on here hours. I converted into hours and I put it here. That's all. Understand? One more question. Okay, very simple. So if it is 60 or more than 60, if 60 comes also you can subtract it. I will write it. Okay. Instead of this one, if it is both, it is 30 and this is also 30. As you imagine, 30. Then 6 hours, 3 like that. Okay. Hour 6 30. Then 3 30. Okay. When we add, you can see that 6 0 plus 0, 3 plus 3, 6 we will get 6 plus 3 9. Okay. You can see that it is 60. What I told you, if it is equal to 60 or more than 60, we have to take we have to subtract 60 from it, isn't it? So we can subtract, isn't it? Minus 60. That time we have to add 1 hour I took, then 60 minus 60 we will get 0. I took 1 hour. 60 means what? 1 hour, isn't it? That hour I added here, so we will get a 10 hour 0 means. Is it correct? What is the meaning of 9 hours 60 means? After 9 this 9th hour, after 9th hour 60 minutes means what? It will become 10th hour, isn't it? 9 മണി കഴിഞ്ഞ് 60 മിനിറ്റ് കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ 10 മണിയാവും. Is it? That's all. That's why we converted. Okay. Now one more question. Same way. Okay. If it is more than 60, equal to 60 or more than 60 only, we will do this now. Otherwise, we have to do on the first time. Okay. 7 hours 55 minutes, 4 hours 43 minutes. Okay, like that question. Okay, then 7 hour 55, 4 hour 40, 5 plus 3 8, 5 plus 4 9, 98. 7 plus 1 11. So 98 we got it, then subtract plus 1. Understand? Subtract is this, then add here. What is subtraction? 8 minus 0, 8, 9 minus 6, 3, 38, 11 plus 1, 12. 12 over 38 minutes. That is the answer. Okay? So this is the way we are adding water time. Okay dears? That's all. Thank you.